Would you believe me if I told you that there is a simple method to earn $320 in just a few minutes? And by simple, I mean that you can complete 95% of your work with a few clicks of a few buttons on your computer. After that, you can start earning up to $3,000 per day, 7 days a week. The website that I'll be sharing with you is completely free and there is no need to make any kind of financial commitment. This method is also available in many countries throughout the world. So, no matter where you are in the world, this opportunity may be of interest to you. This is also perfect for beginners who do not have special skills or prior experience because this method is super easy to do. This is an excellent opportunity to make money online from the comfort of your own home. Do not pass up this opportunity. Remember to watch the entire video from beginning to end in order to be guided through your money making journey. Is there anything more you want to do? Take out your devices because we are about to embark on a tutorial that will change your life. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. Kickbooster is the name of the website featured in today's video, and it will assist you in earning money completely on autopilot. You can head over to the website kickbooster.me to check it out. Now, here you will learn more about software solutions for crowdfunding creators, which is what the website's homepage claims to offer. If you're wondering how this website works, it's simple. Kickbooster is a division of Bold Commerce that is dedicated to developing the most powerful and effective solutions to assist project creators in bringing their visions to reality throughout the creation of projects. With the assistance of associates, it is a market bursting at the seams with various projects that creators can advertise on their own. Today, we're going to accomplish exactly that. Here's when things can get a little complicated, so pay attention. When you are on the website's homepage, hover your cursor over the Users button, and you will be presented with a variety of choices. After that, I'd like you to click on the Affiliates button. Clicking on the link will lead you to another page where you may learn more about the method that we will be using. For those who are interested in becoming Kickbooster affiliate marketers, the process is simple. You simply build unique affiliate links to your favorite projects, after which you will be compensated for each successful pledge that arrives through your link. Now, as you scroll down the page, you can see that there are only 4 simple steps to being an affiliate marketer on Kickbooster. Rest assured, you will not need any specific abilities or experience to complete this task successfully. Anyone may complete the steps in a matter of minutes. Registration for an account is the first step that has to be completed. The sign-up process will just take you around 2 minutes of your time to complete this task, and you don't have to pay a single cent to sign up. In registering for an account, make sure that you have your PayPal account ready. This is because this website accepts payment through PayPal service. Filling up the referral code in this section is optional, so you can leave it blank and skip to the next thing. Don't forget to put in your password and confirm it, after which you may agree on the terms of use and privacy policy by clicking on this box. Once you have accomplished all of these steps, simply submit your information. The second step simply instructs you to browse through the various projects categories that you may share and earn money from. As for the third step, you can help to spread the word by creating your own affiliate link and sharing it on social media platform. As a reward, the fourth and the last step, and I know this is the step that everyone looks forward to the most, you will receive a commission on every pledge that begins from your affiliate link. You do realize how simple this is, don't you? Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. If you've completed the registration process, your screen should appear something like this. The next thing I want you to do is go to the marketplace located in the upper right section or corner of the Kickbooster homepage. Just click on it and it will take you to another page. Once you've arrived at the marketplace page, you'll be able to view a variety of projects and campaigns that you may promote and share with others in order to make a substantial amount of revenue. I'm going to reveal to you the categories that will help you earn a lot of money on Kickbooster, so pay attention. The first thing that you should do is look at the categories section, which can be found on the left-hand side of the page. There are a variety of categories to choose from, including beauty and personal care, design, education, everyday carry, fashion, and many more. It is important to remember that while you're just getting started, it's best to concentrate on one category at a time. You can choose from 3 different categories: design, health, and technology. Simply choosing one of these 3 categories can help you earn a considerable amount of money. They will automatically filter the marketplace for you once you have completed your selection from the categories menu. The second piece of advice that I can give you is to sort the marketplace according to the commission it charges, from high to low. This can be accomplished by selecting the Sort By option, which is available here. As you can see, the most profitable campaign will be shown first. Now, I will be advertising this campaign as an example. In this particular instance, we will be presenting this new technological gadget. Just click on the project and you will be redirected to this page. On this page, you can see how much money has already been produced by promoting this campaign on the right-hand side of the screen. So if you scroll down to the bottom of this products page, you will be able to view more information about how it operates as well as its selling price. In this case, if someone purchases this product using your affiliate link, you will receive a 10% commission directly from the product's selling price. It's really that simple. All you have to do is share your unique affiliate link, sit back and relax, and then spread the word to everyone on the planet. In the event that you've already decided that this is a campaign that you will be promoting, simply return to the marketplace and select the Boost This Campaign button. Once you return to your dashboard, you will be able to view your referral link, which you will need to share with others in order to earn a large amount of money. Now that we've completed the process of obtaining our affiliate link, the following step is to actually share the link on the internet to increase our exposure. I'm going to show you a Quora tip that can help you earn a lot of commissions. So head over to the Quora website and sign up with your Google or Facebook account to get you started right away. The good news is that this website is really trustworthy for affiliate marketing, and you can promote your link simply by responding to other people's articles on the platform, or even better, by creating your own postings. This will almost always result in more commissions than simply responding to other people's postings. Just remember to look at the categories that deal with technologies such as wireless connections, gadgets, and so on and so forth. In order to make your core content significantly more interesting, there will be a Download Media Kit button on your Kickbooster dashboard, which is labeled as such. This media kit is really useful if you want people to see the actual product in order for people to be attracted to purchase through your affiliate link. Some campaigns have these media kits and some don't. Remember, the more exposure people have to the goods, the more likely that they will purchase it. Another approach is to make use of the Facebook platform, which is much more convenient. Many of you have Facebook accounts, so this will be much easier for you. What I want you to do is search on Facebook for technology enthusiasts or technology lovers and select communities where you can promote your affiliate link. Remember, the greater the number of participants in the group, the greater the number of people who will notice and click on your affiliate link. For increased earnings, you can share your affiliate links on both Quora and Facebook. I guarantee you that you will receive more income as a result of doing so. Happy clicking! And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.